Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report analysis videos on Wednesday 28th of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at the euro, and we're sort of still maintaining this these converging trend lines, the neutral outlook generally on the medium term basis. That's all intact. Downtrends intact, lower highs continue. Momentum indicators basically bang on neutral. Look at the RSI, pretty much 50. MACD lines neutral, stochastics almost at 50 and turning over. So it's all pretty much suggesting that this little mini rally that we've seen in the last or 4 days in the wake of the Fed has rolled over. Yesterday's bear candle puts us back into a bit of a corrective angle once more, and you're sort of looking back towards supports once again. Now, the resistance that we held at 1280 means that that's again adding to this downtrend resistance. So that downtrend comes in at 1275 today. So again, sort of any sort of rally that you get towards that area, I think will be sold into. You're not getting any real sort of movement on the euro. Now, once again, we've seen a move back towards 12 big figure, which I've seen as sort of around about between sort of 10 and maybe 20 ticks either side of 12 big figure. That tends to be where the turning points have all been seen in the last sort of few weeks, about a month actually, and we're back to 12 big figure as I speak, literally as I speak. So you've held that support at 1180, which if I zoom out you can see there's a little bit of an intraday low from the 22nd of last week, but held on to that support nonetheless. So holding on to that support means that you're sort of protecting that 1120 key reaction low, which again on this chart is a big level near term. A couple of times that 1120 has been tested and held. So we're holding on to the supports, but we're not really getting traction on the upside. What does that mean? You're very much neutral, and you're trading around 12 big figure. And I think that's going to continue. I don't really see anything at the moment that's going to change that, and you're not really seeing too much traction in dollar strength, and I think the dollar is going to be very fluctuating in the next few months, and generally speaking the euro I don't really see as either strengthening or weakening all that much either, because I don't think you're going to get too much change out of the sort of communication from the ECB. So where does that leave us? Very neutral on euro dollar, and basically around 12 big figure. I think that means that you're basically neutral, and that's pretty much where it is. So it's, your rallies are getting sold into, and your sort of sell-offs are also being supported. So you could trade a range play using the RSI. So the hourly RSI back towards 30 is sort of coming back towards a buying opportunity, and towards 70 is a selling opportunity. And it seems to be probably that is the way to play euro dollar near term, because you're not really getting any real traction either way. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.